The Supreme Court will hear a PIL today in connection with the ban of diesel taxis in Delhi. Delhi government had requested before the court that ban may be stayed since the taxi operators are badly affected as diesel vehicles cannot be converted into CNG. The Supreme Court will hear a PIL today filed by R. Chandrasekhar Reddy challenging an Andhra Pradesh government order dated August 7, 2007. The government order had made certain proposals for granting remission to the prisoners under Section 433A of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973. A PIL filed by Pankaj Sinha will be heard today by the Supreme Court pertaining to issuance of directions for availability of the drugs that can completely cure 99% of leprosy bacteria drugs at primary health centers. The Supreme Court will hear a PIL today on issue of writ of mandamus or any other appropriate writ to the direct respondents to include moral science as a compulsory subject in the syllabus of Class 1 to Class 12. A PIL will be heard by the Bombay High Court today filed by Chetan Kothari. The PIL filed on the basis of RTI information reveals that details about the death and suicide of scientists or officers and employees who have died on account of various diseases like cancer while working at nuclear institutions in India. The Bombay High Court will hear a petition today concerning the construction of court buildings at Sangli, Maharashtra, which was delayed due to insufficient funds. The Bombay High Court will hear a petition today of Pankaj Bhujbal, who has sought stay on the execution of the non-bailable warrant issued against him in Prevention of Money Laundering Act case. The Bombay High Court will hear a petition today in which a petitioner has challenged the Fifth Amendment in issue of capital and disclosure requirements, contending that the amendment will affect small investors. The Bombay High Court will hear a petition today which seeks the construction of a foot-over bridge at Sandrus Road, Mumbai. The bridge made during British era was demolished due to its poor condition. However, no alternative was provided to people. The Bombay High Court will hear a petition today filed by Suraj Jadhav regarding vacant posts in Debts Recovery Tribunal and Debt Recovery Appellate Tribunal, Mumbai. The Jodhpur Sessions Court will hear the Asaram case today, in which he was lodged in jail for 21 months for an alleged sexual assault on a teenage girl. The Panchkula District Court will hear today the Panipat blast case, in which the main accused Swami Asimanand along with others will appear in the court. So far, 163 witnesses have deposed in the case. The Punjab and Haryana High Court will be hearing today on a petition filed against not giving the reservation to Jats.